Alright, we got the TRX4 Bronco out today. We're going to be installing the Pro Scale light kit and the Bluetooth module. Alright, it comes with the lighting module, the lighting distribution block, mounting brackets for both of them. You got your lights, all your zip ties, wires, and instructions. Alright, let's get going. Alright, to start off, we're going to be installing the mounting bracket for the control module. So you got the one countersunk screw that comes with the kit. You mount that, and then the other two mounting bosses are for the lighting module. Alright, we got the module mounted. The inboard screw is the longer of the two. The shorter one goes in the outboard position. Alright, and then you just connect the module wire to this jumper coming out of the ESC. Alright, since I have the TQI receiver, I'm going to be using the MaxLink port for my wire to my receiver. If you didn't have a TQI receiver, you could go with the standard receiver output, but the TQI is the one I'm going to be using. Take the two screws out of your battery tray, you could tilt it up, and then you can route your wire underneath the battery tray to your receiver box. Got the receiver wire ran underneath the battery tray. You have to take off the cover for your receiver box. You got your 3 bolts here, and then the 2 on this cover down there. Take those out. Okay, with the TQI receiver, you just plug in your wire from your module into the TSM link. Alright, we got the receiver box all closed up again. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, next we got to hook up the motor sensor wire. So you unplug the 2 main wires coming off your ESC to the motor, and you put this jumper cable in, and you plug it into your module on the motor sensor port. Alright, we got the motor signal wires in. I had some heat shrink, but the little sections I had weren't long enough, so I still had to wrap the end with electrical tape. I'm going to clean up the wire routing, zip tie them along some other wires. Alright. Alright, you had 6 screws holding in the grill. Take those out, and you can start swapping out the headlights in the grill. Alright, I got the new headlights in the grill. Pretty self-explanatory. They just go right back into existing holes, and then you slide these wires through slots in the body and remount the grill. Alright, got the wires ran through the body, got the grill reattached. I plugged in the side markers into their housings. They just snap right in. Alright, we got the lighting distribution block mounted to the body with the 3 screws, the existing screws in the body. Now we'll mount the distribution block onto the bracket. Okay, got my distribution block all mounted up. Got it all wired up according to the wiring diagram and the instructions. Got it zip tied a little bit. Can probably make it a little cleaner, but plenty functional. Keep the wires out of the way. Got your main plug there that you plug into the module on the chassis. Alright, to install the Traxxas Bluetooth module, you have to take off this cover on the back of your controller. Alright, I got the Bluetooth module installed on my controller. You download the app for your phone, and then you compare the two together. Alright, I got the Traxxas Link app installed on my phone. I got a battery in the truck. I got them all paired up. So now I can turn the lights on from my phone. Turn on high beams. Got your running lights front and rear. Got your running lights in the rear. Got your brake lights. Your reverse lights. You also have the ability to turn on turn signals. You got them front and rear. Alright, so I'll have to get out there when it's dark, see how it really looks at night.
tail lights, brake lights, reverse.
Alright, so it was not too bad of an install. Went in pretty easily. Really like how it looks. Really like all the functionality of it with the brake lights and the reverse lights. Having the running lights all the way around really looks good too. Alright, thanks for watching.